Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET Core. Today I'm going to show you how to add a partial class, and that partial class will work as a code behind file of the Blazor components. So how to use partial class as a component in a Blazor. So just create a new Blazor project and how to add a class and a partial class, and when we click on any button control, that partial class will work. Okay, so create a WebAssembly Blazor project, and any other projects like the server project and the client project is both you can do in the both you can do that functionality in both projects. Okay, so you know that all pages reside in the pages folder. So here we have a counter.razor page, and you know that the counter.razor page have a code, also the HTML files. So here we have the HTML file as well as the code file. So just I want to separate both the thing, that is the separate HTML as well as the code. So what I do for this, so just add a new partial class. So just right click on the pages folder and add a new item, and that the item name is the same name of the class, that is the counter.razor.cs is the file name. So must to add that the file name is matches with your Razor file name. So public class counter, and the counter is the Razor file name. Okay, so here you can see counter.razor is the file name, and when you expand that file .razor.cs file, okay, but it's not actually combined, so just add the partial keyword. When you add that partial keywords, your counter.razor.cs file is actually separated. Okay, so just add that code, just remove the code from the counter.razor and just place under the class file. So the HTML code is separated with the code file. So you can say that is the code behind file. So it's looking like a web form, you can say, but it's not a web form, it's a Blazor. So run your project, and your output will become similar. When we click on the button, then counter will increase by 1, by the 1. Okay, so you know you learn how to use a partial class in a Blazor. Okay, so just separate the HTML and the code file. You can use partial class as well. So partial class counter, so only the partial keyword you can add in the class file. And you notice that in the web form also have a partial class as a code behind file. So thank you guys for watching this video, and keep watching all other videos which is related to ASP.NET Core and the Blazor. Thank you very much for watching this.